The lights are out, and off as they charge down the straight.
And they're off. The green light signals the start of the race.
What an incredible start. Ride number 13 is flying through the pack. Unbelievable speed.
Side by side, this is pure racing inside line.
They're closing in. The chasing pack is right there. This race is far from over.
They're off the circuit into this is absolute chaos. A massive sandstorm. Visibility is survival racing.
This is unreal. A pause in the desert, the race has turned into survival.
They're racing through a village, rice fields, bamboo household. Rider 29 goes down. The village road is incredibly slippery.
They're crossing a bamboo bridge. One mistake and it's over. And they've stopped racing. They're shopping. I've never seen anything like this.
They're racing on the highway, shopping bags still on the bikes. This is absolute madness. Last lap, side by side on the highway. This is insane. Photo finish. I don't believe this is too close to call. Unbelievable. 1/10,000th of a... What a moment. Victory decided by Neil has made history.
From desert storms to highways, this podium belongs to the brave. Riders from around the world, one circuit, one unforgettable race.